Hello, hello, hello. Miss Daylight Clay here today. How are you doing today? I'm doing fine. Thank you so much for asking. I hope everything is well with you. And as in my preview, I had said that I wanted to make an Italian style Pestacore, which is a blend of different seafoods in a red sauce. I tried a dish similar to this when I was in Florida, and it was delicious. So I decided that I wanted to make it myself. And that's the thing. Once I try something, at another location or a restaurant or something, and if I like it well enough, I want to make it at home. Okay? So, let me get started because my skillet is getting hot. I'm not waiting for it. My skillet is doing this thing. So, I have everything that I need, and this should be a fast preparation because I have everything that I need. The pasta is cooked, the red sauce is cooked. All I'm going to be doing, child, is mixing and fixing, okay? So I hope I get it going, correctly. I don't want to be stalled for time because my skillet is getting hot. Ooh, I can feel the heat on my hands. Yes, child. But I want you to remember, you don't need a ticket to ride with me. It's free. It's free. You don't need a ticket to ride with me on the love train. The love train. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. It's free. Hit the like button, baby. It's free. It's free on the love train. So I say this repetitiously because I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you like the video. And hit the notification bell so each time I upload another video, you'll be there. So this is telling me that it's about to get it getting. So here I'm going to start. So I'm going to put some oil in the skillet. Okay. See, I got my apron on again. Right. So I'll put some oil in the skillet. And I'm going to start off cooking the seafood because the seafood takes a little bit longer to cook than the pasta. The pasta already done. So I'm going to add, again, we're going to start with some tomatoes. Watch out now. We're going to add some onions. And I'm going to season the seafood. I'm seasoning the seafood. I'm going to add some oregano, Italiano. Yes. I'm going to add some oregano. Ooh, child, yes. I'm going to add some garlic. If I don't have fresh garlic, I love to use the granulated garlic. Oh, yeah. You see how much I'm putting in there? Woo, child. Yes. I love the flavor of garlic. Then I'm going to add some paprika. We're going to spice it up a little bit. Look at the coloring. I go for color. Okay? We're going to do that and taste. And we're going to add some chili powder. Yes. I love flavor, okay? This is the Italiano Pestacore style seafood, which means it's a red sauce with all the seafoods in it that you like. All the seafoods in it that you like. And I'm going to add a little extra to it. I'm going to add some more, as always, garlic powder. Okay. Now I'm going to stir this around a little bit. Ooh-wee, only in the kitchen. Only in the kitchen. Okay? So now what I'm going to do, because this is going to cook some more in the spaghetti, I'll show you. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs it up. This is only for you. So next what I have some seafood stock. Okay? So I'm going to pour it. Yes, yes, yes. There goes the seafood stock. And I have my fabulous butter. I'm going to add 1/4 of a quarter of butter. Okay? Bam. Okay? We're going to stir this around. Okay? So now, because we're going to steam the seafood, here I go. Okay? So I have some I'm lost for thought, but I know what I got over here, guys. I have some squid. I have some octopus. I have some shrimp. I have some mussels. Oh, yeah, y'all all invited. Go on in there. It's a party over here. It's a party, 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 party. And I also have some crab legs, okay? So everybody's joining the party. Everybody is invited, okay? So, there we go. All the seafood is marinating. Well, not marinating, but yes, I'm going to cook all this seafood in this delicious, delicious sauce, okay? So now I'm going to turn it up a notch. This, you know what? This is going to be great. This is going to be great. Ooh, child. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, because pretty much, you know, crab legs, they're already pre-cooked. Okay? Okay. And the mussels, you know, when they start popping open, and the calamari don't take long to cook. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put a top on it. I don't want that top. We're going to use this top. And I'm going to use this top because I want those crab legs, those snow clusters, I want them to be done. So, we're going to let this do its thing. We're steaming it, okay? We're steaming it. So, and once it gets, you know, to the point where I can say, okay, then we're going to take it out, and then we're going to do the pasta. So if you like, I'm going to pause the video until this, whoo, child, gets to the consistency that I wanted, okay? So, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. And of course, this has been steaming for about 7 minutes. So, I'm going to take the top off, cover your eyes, back up. Don't get steam burned. Okay, so it's been cooking. Like I said, it's been steaming. Okay, so I'm going to take, you can see the smoke. I'm going to take the top off. Okay. Oh, it looks awesome. It looks good. Okay, so now that I have got this and everything is pretty well good. I mean, like I say, the crab legs, you know, they're already cooked. We just want to put a little steam on them. So we're going to turn them over this way. Okay? Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the seafood out. Okay? The ones that's done first are the mussels, the calamari, the shrimp, the octopus, Yes, yes, yes. Take a bite out of life, why don't you? I love it. Okay? So I'm getting all the seafood out. Okay? The crab legs are going to be left for last. And you can use whatever seafood that you like. You know, this is my first time preparing this meal. So I'm just a little bit cautious of it because I never had it before. But I do know how to kind of follow directions a little bit. You know what I mean? So if you want to use tuna, you want to use salmon, whatever your preference of seafood is, you know, it just says that you have to use 4 to 5. It says 4 to 5 of your favorite seafood to make this dish. And of course, you can make it with whatever you like. You can make it with just one. But I'm following the Italiano Pestacore recipe, okay? Okay. So it's looking good. I still got the gravy. I still got those nice seasonings in here. Okay? Okay. So now, I'm going to take these crab legs out. And I'm going to sit it over to the side. So here's my space right here. Sit it over to the side. Now, I'm going to add just a little bit of white wine. One for you. One for me. And if you don't want it, another one for me. That's the seafood stock, right? Italiano style. Yes, yes, yes. So we're just, okay? And this is a pretty easy meal to make. As always, once you get your ingredients together, you know, it's simple. It's simple. You say, oh, I want to make this. Well, you know what you need to make it. So, you know, do your thing, child. Do your thing. Do your thing, child. And over here, I have my wine, white wine, for my delicious dish. And over here, I have my water. Okay. So I want to let this delicious seafood sauce, that's why I say sometimes the best seafood stock is your own. Is your own. Can you see it? Okay. Can you see it? Let me get that metal off this metal. Let me go over here. Because I want this wine to kind of incorporate in this food. And I got just a little bit of a little bit of greenery. We're going to put that in there. I got these. This is parsley. This is parsley. We're going to put that in there. Parsley has a nice flavor to it. Oh, that wine didn't taste bad. Shoot, and I'm chefing. Huh. Whew, whew, whew. It is so sweet and mild. Okay. So you see what we got going on here? Let me move these glasses out the way. So you see what we got going? So I added a little wine to the seafood stock. Okay? And it's thickening up. It smells awesome. Ooh, child, y'all gonna drive me to drink. Hey, this is so good, Italiano style. White wine. Okay, so it's reducing down really good. And the reason why I know, because it's getting a little bit thick. So, let me taste it. And I got a special treat for this. Let me taste this. Always taste it. Let me see what you're working with. Whoo, child, stop it. I'm done. You know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to put the pasta in. So this pasta is already pre-cooked, okay? I don't think that I want to use all this pasta, but I'm going to put the pasta in here. Ooh, child. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? So now I'm going to just let all that goodness, be like, why you gonna say it a little bit? Get it in there. Get it in there. You know, that's because you fixed it all. Don't mean you have to eat it all, right? You have to eat it all, okay? So there we go. So I got the pasta in here. Ooh, my. Excuse me, guys, but that sauce was outstanding. And it's always good to try something new. What's in your kitchen? What's in your kitchen? You can do it. Wow. Okay. So now you see that all the liquid that was in this pan from the seafood stock where I did the crab legs, the mussels, the shrimp, the squid, and the octopus, that was the stock. Because seafood has a stock of its own. So now you see the skillet is dry. It is dry. And the reason why it's dry is because all that juice, that flavor, that stock is in these noodles. It's in these noodles. Yes, yes, yes. So this is what I decided to do as well. Italiano style. I have a basil pesto, okay? Now, basil pesto is nutty. It's delicious. So I'm going to add some of this basil pesto to the pasta, Italiano style, okay? So this is going to be, just follow me, just follow me, guys. That's about a teaspoon. I got a fork. This is so good. Okay? Are you following me? Okay. We got that. Okay, and the noodles were cooked al dente, which means I don't like soggy noodles. I don't like noodles with a whole lot of starch. Let's drink to al dente noodles. Al dente. Okay. So you see how the skillet is dry? That's all that flavor. Okay, so here we go. So now I have a tomato sauce that I made. And you see this? We're getting to the finale now. It's not hard. It's not hard. Ooh, child, look at there. We got to put that in there. Put that in there. See all this deliciousness? This is the tomato sauce that I had made earlier. You can use canned, you can use frozen, you can use dry. Okay? So, now I have some water right here. So we ain't doing it like that. Pour that water in there. Come on, we're going to mix it. We mixing it well. Oh, man, we mixing it well. Do it look like trouble? No trouble. This ain't trouble. I'm going to show you. This is not trouble. You see it? Now, once all this deliciousness get incorporated in this pasta, then we're going to add the seafood. And once we add the seafood, ooh, child, it's going to be time to eat. You see me? It's not really complicated. I mean, it's not really complicated. Okay, so here now's the time. Because I don't want my noodles overcooked. So let me get a fork and let me taste these noodles. Always taste your food before you serve it. Let me taste, because I don't like soggy noodles. Ooh, spicy, not spicy. Mm. Mm. Okay? So now, what I need, like I said, if you see me prepare my foods, I hardly ever add salt. Because most of the herbs that you use is so flavorful, you don't need salt. But if you become accustomed to salt, then you want salt. This is good. I have a salt shaker. And I'm just going to salt shaker some salt. Not a lot. I'm done. Okay. So now I'm going to put the crab legs back in. Yes, yes, yes. This is my food. I got to eat it. I'm going to put the crab legs back in. Ooh, wait. I'm going to put the mussels, all the seafood. Oh, chow. Stop it now. Don't hate. All the seafood is going back in. Yes. It's going back in that tomato sauce. And I have a little bit more red sauce because I like it red. If I'm going to do red, give me red. Oh, give me red. Oh, scrumptious. Is that a word? Okay. Are you looking? Can you see this? I tell you what, this smells so good. Mm. So now, what I have to do, because I just added all this seafood to this deliciousness, and the pasta has already incorporated all the flavors, now the seafood has to incorporate all the flavors of the pasta. Okay, you got me? You see what I'm doing? So, to gain the control over my meal, I gotta put this back and let it steam for a minute. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this up. Follow me. I'm gonna cover this up for about 4 minutes while it's boiling. See how it's boiling? And my pasta's not overcooked. The seafood is not overcooked. Okay? Oh. Is anybody ever out there excited about food like me? I am so excited about food. So I tell you what. I'm going to let this cook down for a minute. See you in a minute. Yes. Okay, guys. It's done. It's done. I'm going to turn the fire out. I'm going to turn the heat off. And this is what it looks like. So, let me plate it up for you. Let me plate it up for you. So, oh my. Okay. Ooh, look at that calamari. All this seafood. All this seafood in there. Oh, yes. Okay. Let's keep it going. We just keep it going. Oh, the shrimp. Oh, the shrimp. The squid. Yes, yes, this is going to be so delicious. Just watch me, y'all. Just watch. Just watch. Okay? Okay? So, shrimp. There they go. Shrimp, squid, octopus, and we're going to top it off with the crab. It's done. It's done. Beautiful. 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 Yes, 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 yes. Ah. Okay. It's done. So let's get a close up of it, what it looks like. Okay? Just so the deliciousness. Okay, so all the mussels, I gotta lay it down like this so you can see. Hopefully I get a good screenshot. Hopefully I get a good photo, because this is the Italiano Pestacore seafood in a red sauce. It has the mussels. Let's try. It has the mussels. Get back on the noodle. Get back on their noodle. I just want you to see it. It has the, I'm determined to please, y'all. I am determined to please. So, we're going to do it again. And it has the crab legs, the mussels. Stay on the plate, I'm sorry. It has the crab legs, the mussels, the shrimp, the octopus, and the squid. Let's get it from another angle. Let's get it from another angle. Okay. So, what time is it? It's time to taste it. This looks so good, guys. It really does. And I'm going to show you again. This looks so good. The pasta, the mussels. So, let me dig in. I am so thankful to have, I really am enthused about having good food. I really am. So, oh, and it has all, you saw me make it. I hope you make it too. And this is the delightfulness of the pasta that has that seafood stock. Wow. Can we get a good close look at this mussel with the spaghetti? Look at the sauce, y'all. They got the shrimp in it, the mussels in it. Ah. What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? Chitty chitty bang bang over here. What I want to say, I hope you enjoyed the recipe as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. I really do. And just me tasting it right now, it is so tasteful, so delicious. And I know a lot of people say that, you know, but when you prepare your own food, it's totally different from when you're buying it out. And it's so simple. Just set it up. Just say, oh, I'm going to have this today, and I know that I need this to go along with it. This is so good. I'm sorry with the There's no mussel in here. But the sauce is so good. I need more napkins. But like I say, this is something that I want to present to you. I hope that you like the video. I hope that you comment on the video. I hope that you can subscribe to the channel. I've never prepared this meal before, and I'm trying to venture out for me and try different flavors, different foods. You know, do a little bit something different. I mean, there are so many flavors out here. And Ooh, child. So messy too. Messy, messy, messy. Holy. Then we got some shrimp. We got some shrimp and some. Ooh, look at there. I kid you not. Look at there. Look at there. A mouthful of wonderfulness. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Oh my. You got the squid, the octopus. What's in your kitchen? Mm, mm. So guys, I did the Italiano Pestacore e- seafood pasta. I did it. I did it. And as you see me eat this pasta, it is so good. And I haven't had, well, I don't think that I've ever had, well, I'm gonna say I don't think, I've never had seafood in a red sauce until I went to Florida. I guess that's how they serve it up down there.